All right, guys. I just wanted to discuss two questions which are very important from ratios point of view. I know everybody will say, sir, up to MCQ ho gaya, MCQ ho gaya, MCQ ho gaya. But you need to solve it before you answer it. So I'll be telling you the tricks also to solve the question, and accordingly we'll discuss technically how to solve it. Now, there is one example which was asked to me by one of my student, and he's also Khanna. He asked me one question. I'm just changing the name. uh, Jay and Viru are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They took Basanti into partnership. They took Basanti into partnership. For how much share? Nahi diya. They took Basanti into partnership, and it was mentioned that Basanti will take 1 by 5 of Jay share. I'm just changing the name. In question, it was like A, V, and C. So if you were doing a homework, which was discussed in the class, you can take those names. Basanti will take 1/5 of Jay's share and 4 by 25 or 4/25 from Viru. Question says compute new ratio and sacrifice ratio. All right. Now, generally we have a habit of assuming let the total share be 1. वो जो हम नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस करते थे जब ए बी पार्टनर होते थे सी एडमिट होता था, बट आज किसका शेयर नहीं दिया? सी का शेयर. और मैथ्स आपको पता है किससे शुरू होता है? एक्स. सो लेट सी शेयर बी एक्स. सी का शेयर कितना? एक्स. उसमें से 1/5 ऑफ एक्स यानी 1/5 एक्स उसको किससे मिला? जैसे. एंड 4/25 किससे मिला? वीरू से. तो मेरे कुछ स्टूडेंट ने ठीक भी किया ये क्वेश्चन. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद देम एंड आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट. कीप ऑन डूइंग दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड एक्सेप्ट. नाउ सी शेयर इज एक्स. नाउ कैन आई से इसका शेयर 4/25 है, इसका शेयर 1/5 ऑफ एक्स है. इट मीन्स बिफोर आई गो फर्दर, मैंने सब बच्चों को सिखाया था, जो लोग रिकॉर्डिंग देख रहे हैं उन्हें भी बता दूं. द सेक्रीफाइस मेड by old partners, the sacrifice made by old partners is always equal to new partners share. So now can I say x should be equal to 1/5x plus 4/25, क्योंकि उससे उसको कितना मिला? दैट इज क्लियरली गिवन. So this is the sacrifice of J, this is the sacrifice of Viru, and the sum total of it should be equal to the share of the new partner, which we have assumed it to be X. Now solve it and get it. It means C is admitted for 1/5 share. Therefore, J's sacrifice will be equal to 1/5, because now this X gets replaced by 1/5 into 1/5. 1/5 for X and 1/5, which is J's sacrifice, which is 1/25. Viru sacrifice was directly given 4/25. So sacrifice ratio becomes 1:4. So sacrifice ratio becomes 1:4. Therefore, new ratio will be equal to old minus sacrifice. Let's talk about J. 3/5 minus 1/25. comes out to 14 by 25. Viru, 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 25 is 5, 5, 10, 10 minus 4, 6, 6 by 25. And C's share called C matlab Basanti. Basanti share is gonna be 1 by 5. That was the total we got for X. So 1 by 5 into 5 by 5, which is 5 by 25. So answer becomes 14 is to 6 is to 5. This is one way of doing it. अब MCQs हो गया बेटा क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा फास्ट फॉरवर्ड तो हमें आना ही चाहिए. Now J Viru 3 is to 2 C 1/5 of C plus 4 by 25. इसको अगर 4 by 25 मिला तो इसके पास कितना आएगा, नहीं समझ आ रहा. तो कहना है से सिंपल मैथ्स, आपको मैथमेटिक्स गंदा गंदा करना है, पूरा सॉल्व नहीं करना है. यहाँ तक तो ऐसे करना ही करना है. x minus 1 by 5 of x is equal to 4 by 25. सॉल्व करोगे तो x आ जाएगा 1 by 5. 1 by 5 since it was 25, तो can I write it as 5 by 25? 5 by 5 called 5 by 25. गंदा गंदा करो यार, किसने बोला. इसका 5 by 25 आ गया. Now this will be what? 3 by 5 minus, लिखने की कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है ना यार, बस वही बता रहा हूँ और कुछ शॉर्टकट नहीं बता रहा. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 25, which is 14 by 25. This is 5 by 25. Don't waste your time. 6 by 25. Because 14 plus 5, 9. How much should I add to make it 25? So this is what you can do. But the trick remains the same. That आपको छोटी सी बात क्या याद रखनी है जो मैंने पहले बताई. The sacrifice made by old partners is always equal to new partner share. ये चीज आपको हमेशा काम आएगी इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में. तो जब भी आपको दो ओल्ड पार्टनर्स का सेक्रीफाइस दिए, आप उसको क्रॉस चेक भी कर सकते हैं. दैट हैज टू बी इक्वल टू न्यू पार्टनर शेयर. आगे चलते हैं बच्चों. देन देयर वाज वन मोर क्वेश्चन, जस्ट राइट इट फास्ट. एग्जांपल 2, A is to B are sharing profit in the ratio of 3:1. Now they admitted C, and question says they admitted C in such a way so that the ratio of A is to B and B is to C must be same. So there are two ways to solve this question also. Now B is dependent on A, so let A's share is X. So B's share will be 1/3 of X. Between B and C, we also need a relationship of 3:1. So C will be 1/3 of B. C will be 1/3 of B. Therefore, C's share will be 1/3 of B. So can I say B is 1 by 3 of X? So it becomes 1 by 9 of X. So it becomes X called 1 by 1 of X, A, B, 1 by 3 of X, and C, which is 1 by 9 of X. Takes the LCM. So it is 9. 9X is to 3X is to X. So X got cancelled. So ratio becomes 9 is to 3 is to 1. The ratio becomes 9 is to 3 is to 1. You can take B also as X, the way you want to solve it. So मैंने कहा who's the boss? A. The situation started with A, so I took A as X. Because A का 1/3 B का है और B का 1/3 C का है. There is another way to solve this question, guys. A, B, B, C. ऐसे है ना बच्चों? So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 3, 9. I repeat, क्रॉस कनेक्शन. पहले B का रिलेशन A के साथ था, अब B का रिलेशन C के साथ हो गया. पहले B का रिलेशन A के साथ था तो 3 3 9. फिर B का रिलेशन C के साथ हो गया तो 1 1 1. या बी और सी का रिलेशन 1 और 1 पुराने से कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ ना, एंड दिस वाज अ कॉमन फैक्टर विच इज 3:1, फिनिश। देखो, between them it is 3:1, and between them it is 3:1. So all about these two questions, I'll keep on adding some few important questions overall also over a period of time. Till then, शुभ रात्रि, शब्बा खैर। सर रात हो रही है, अब आप सोचो रात हो रही है या दिन हो रहा है, मैं तो ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ। Bye bye guys, practice these questions, I have discussed them in the class, and rest will continue in the class.